calling.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be collabing with 6 other ladies. I am so excited about this collab. I have never done anything like this before. It was pretty tricky, I'm not gonna lie, but Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine got all of us girls together in this collab. I am over the top thrilled because she always does some super cool upcycling. So she takes stuff you would recycle or throw in the garbage and she makes it into something so cool. She does a lot of these on her channel. There's gonna be, like I said, 6 other people. So besides Casey, Coffee with My Sunshine, there's gonna be Jessica from Measure and Mix, Katie from Katie and Leeanne, Yami from The Latina Next Door, Marta from Cuban Curls, and Natalie from Design to the Nines. There's just so many of us. I will leave all of their channel links in the description box below, along with a playlist of all of our videos of this trash to treasure. You guys, I used tin cans and that was the cheapest DIY I probably ever made in my entire life. I made my kids eat soup 4 days and peaches and whatever else just comes in a can. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. So this first DIY, I'm just using tin cans. I had a bunch just in case, but I'm just gonna use 2 of them and hot glue them right on top of each other. And I'm just gonna be making like this little candle holder. I seen it on Pinterest. I really needed some help, so I'm so glad Pinterest is around to help me out. But they painted the cans. I did not want to paint these cans, so I thought rolling them in burlap was really easy, and it covered pretty well. I got these sheets of burlap from Burlap Fabric, and I absolutely love them. I have so many ideas coming soon with this. I think these are so nice, but yeah, they covered the tin cans super well, and I just hot glued it to the cans.
I'm falling, don't know what it is you do to me, yeah.
And then I did cut off the extra, but I will be using this soon, so don't worry, I did not actually throw that part burlap away. And then I got this burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree recently. I love this. I think it's so cute. And I'm just putting it on the top and the bottom of the cans to kind of cover up the cuts and everything of the burlap.
Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2.
And then now I'm just taking my leftover burlap and just making a simple little burlap bow. I'm just folding it in half twice, and then I am just tying the middle with twine to keep it together. And this is the most simple little burlap bow you could possibly make. And then I just had these little pearls from the Dollar Tree as well, and I bought some and I had no idea what to do with them, so I just stuck one right in the center. And then I did want to make one more candle holder, so I'm just going to take 1 tin can and just wrap it using the excess burlap sheet that I had left over from the first one. And then I'm doing the exact same thing to this one as well. I'm just using a burlap bow with a little pearl, and then I found these cute little marble candles for the tops of these at the Dollar Tree. I think these are so pretty. I absolutely love how they turned out, and they are only tin cans.
3, 4. 6, 7, 8, dance the night away. I am ready.
For this next DIY, I'm just using the Waverly Chalk Paint in white and tin cans again. And these ones I did do 3 coats of paint just to make sure that the tin can area or the color did get covered. And then I started out using 3, and I wanted to make a little like 3-tier like floral stand, and I could not get the 3 tiers to work, but I did end up getting the 2, so I only actually used 2 of these tin cans. And then I'm just using this same burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting it along the tops of the cans.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances.
And then for the bottom, I did want to take some hot glue and some floral foam, so I was able to use the wooden skewers. So I had a bunch of wooden skewers left over there. I think they were like the 32 inches long. They were the longest ones I could find. I had a bunch left over, so that is what I wanted to use to make the 3-tier can stand, I suppose is what you want to call it. So that is what I'm using, but I thought the floral foam would make it stick in well. And I was wrong, so I only went with 2 of these cans, so bear with me on this. It was really hard to edit because I only used 2 of these. But I'm going to take a drill and then drill some holes in. I did a few of these, and then I ended up making the holes too big, so I did have to end up taking hot glue and hot gluing the skewer inside of the hole, if that makes any sense. I needed hot glue or my skewer and my cans kept sliding down, so that was just something that I learned the hard way. And then this is where I took the hot glue and I was just like wiping the whole bottom to make sure that the can did not move. You could tell they were really wobbly, and that was like my biggest issue with the second can, is that everything was super wobbly. You guys, overall, it did end up turning out. I just had some little malfunctions because I had no idea what I was doing. But I did end up chopping a lot of floral foam up and sticking it in between, and it did hold the skewer, and it did make everything much more straight because my holes were a little too big. And then I did end up adding a little pearl to the top of the skewer. I did cut it down to size so it wasn't super tall. And then I picked up a bunch of these floral last year after the fall time at Walmart. So all these picks were 25 cents or 24 cents each. I thought it was such a steal because I knew that this coming year I would end up buying a bunch anyways, and I thought for 24 and 25 cents a piece, like, that was a steal, and it was way cheaper than spending $1 at the Dollar Tree. So you guys, this is how wobbly that was with 3. So I just literally took the bottom off and cut the skewer down again and just did a little 2-tier tin can floral vase. I really like it, even though I wish I would have been a little bit taller, but I think it turned out so stinking cute.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that hot.
And then the last DIY is just with this pepper jar. It is a glass jar, and no, I didn't take the label off because I was just way too lazy. I couldn't peel it off. I thought that was the easiest way, but it was glued all the way around. And I know I definitely could have taken hot water and scrubbed it, but I chose not to because I knew I was just going to tie it or wrap twine around it, and I knew the twine would cover it up, and it totally did. So I saved myself some time. And I did pick up this twine from Walmart. It is a lot thicker than what you would get at the Dollar Tree. I like using this when I have to wrap something completely because it goes a lot faster when I use this thicker twine.
Break. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that hot break. I missed ya.
And then once the jar was completely wrapped, I grabbed some of these flowers this year from Walmart. I think they are so pretty, and I love these for fall. I was definitely trying to go with a fall theme, and I love this. And I just took some extra twine and tied a little bow around it to make it just a little bit extra. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are coming over from anybody else's channel, I would love if you guys would subscribe and stick around so you don't miss any more of my videos. I love doing this collab. It was super fun, and make sure you check out the links in my description box below so you can check out our playlist and all the other wonderful ladies doing this collab. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.